Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful artwork on your plain black handbag or handbag of any color. I use the gold leaf and I'm going to show you how to do the artwork step by step. So this is my old handbag, which I hand painted myself previously. However, I decided to change it. And since my gold leaves arrived, I decided to make a beautiful peacock artwork, which obviously has more of a richer look, richer style, and it's more recognizable, I'd say. So I'm using Angelus waterproof, water-resistant paint to create my whole artwork. Obviously, I'm using white color for the base of the actual peacock. And to apply the gold leaves, I'm going to use gloss from Angelus as well. The gold leaf will look really beautifully on the black handbag. My handbag is 100% leather, but you can use it on any on any canvas, on any type. So as you can see, I'm applying the first layer of the high gloss from Angelus, so that I can stick the gold leaf on top of that. To be honest, the whole method was kind of trial and error, but since I've been painting for quite a long time, I know approximately how to match the products and how they react to to each material. So as you can see, the gold leaf sticks quite nicely on the surface of the bag. And obviously I tried to kind of stick it with a timber crochet hook that I have, because I'm doing crochet bits as well. However, the best thing is to just to touch the leaf slightly, like really delicately with your with your hand, and after that apply a high gloss again to kind of secure the surface, and if you have any bits left over, you can always place another layer of the high gloss, and basically stick more stick another piece of a gold leaf on top, because obviously the leaf has a really delicate nature, so so if you scratch it before you apply any protection, the leaf will come off, right? So once all the layers are done, I started to kind of brushing away the top bits of the leaf to create more of a rusty vintage look on my handbag. I didn't want to have plain pieces of gold just stuck on the handbag, although you can leave it. It's an artwork. Whatever you do, however express yourself is good. But in my case, I decided to kind of make the top of the artwork a little bit more delicate. And obviously in the process, some of the bits came off, even the bits that I didn't want to come off. So obviously I'm placing another bits of a gold leaf on top to to kind of finish the artwork the way I want to do it. And as usually, placing the high gloss on top and letting it dry. So as I started from creating a white base of the peacock, then after creating a background, gold background as a second step, as a third step, obviously we're going to put a color on the on the actual artwork. So you can choose any artwork online you want, or you can perhaps create it yourself, even in an abstract way with a perhaps different color. You can if you wish, you can create you can make your peacock, I don't know, green, yellow, orange, however you want. It's your artwork, it's your art piece. This is something that you should be happy with, but obviously this is you can get inspired with the way I do my artwork and do the same thing on your handbag. So the main body is done, and I'm creating the the peacock, the little eyes that it has on the tail. Obviously, again, you need to create the white base before you put the color in. Otherwise, it will not show up as a proper color. And step by step, as you can see, place the color in. Do it really, really delicately. Just enjoy the process, because I mean, at the end, the end result is as important as the process of you doing the whole handbag. So yeah, so just enjoy it like anything in your life, really. So obviously, firstly, I'm creating the one. I'm using one color for for each for each bit, right? So that I don't need to go back and forth and mix, for example, blue one with the yellow one, etc. Then obviously I'm using, as a second color, I'm using yellow on all of the bits again. And I'm going to continue using navy blue color as the middle of the of the little bits of the little eyes of the peacock. So at this point, I'm going to do the outline of the beads on the tail of the peacock in my artwork. I'm doing them quite delicately and precisely in here, but at the end I kind of decided to do it more abstract, and you're going to see the final result just in a second, how it came out. All right, so 3, 2, 1. There we go. This is how the final product looks like. I hope you like it, and I hope you're gonna use a similar style, similar artwork. You can let me know how it came out in the comments below. As you can see, it looks really rich, it looks really bespoke, and it actually matches a lot of products. So yeah, next time pick up the brush, pick up the Angelus paint, and you can make another work and send me any of the results.